Part 4 Morning Journaling Writing Your Way into Better English. After I got comfortable listening to English and speaking to myself in the mornings, I added another step that became one of my favorite habits morning journaling. Now, I want to be completely honest with you. At first, I did not think journaling would help me. I thought it was too slow, too boring, too school-like. I remembered my high school homework and I felt stressed just thinking about writing. But everything changed when I stopped treating journaling like an assignment and started treating it like a quiet conversation with myself. The first morning I tried it, I sat at my kitchen table with a cup of tea. My notebook was completely empty. The page looked so clean and scary. I had no idea what to write. So I told myself, okay, Crystal, no pressure. Just write one sentence. And that morning, I wrote, I am tired, but I want today to be a good day. That was it. Only one simple sentence. But something beautiful happened. As soon as I wrote it, I felt calmer. I felt like I had opened a small door in my mind. So I wrote another sentence and another, and soon I had half a page filled with easy, everyday English. That's when I realized something important. Journaling is not about perfect grammar. It's about expressing yourself. Each morning, I wrote about things like how I slept, what I planned to do, what I was worried about, what made me excited, something small that made me smile. Here's an example of what my early journal entries looked like. I feel nervous today because I have a lot of work, but I also feel hopeful. I want to do my best. I want to learn something new today. Very simple, but also very honest. Some mornings, I didn't know what to write, so I used little prompts to help me start. Here are the ones I found most useful. Today, I want to. Right now, I feel. One small thing I'm grateful for is. Today, my plan is. Sometimes I only wrote 3 lines. Other times I wrote 2 full pages. The important thing was consistency, showing up every day, even for 5 minutes. But let me tell you about the best part. After a few weeks, I looked back at my older pages and I was shocked. My writing had improved so much without me even noticing. My sentences became longer, my vocabulary grew, my grammar mistakes slowly disappeared. I sounded more confident, more natural, more English thinking, if that makes sense. One day, I even wrote this. I used to be afraid of writing, but now it feels like a peaceful morning ritual. And it was true. Journaling didn't feel like studying anymore. It became something soft and personal, something I actually enjoyed. I also noticed that writing in the morning helped me speak better later in the day. Why? Because journaling organized my thoughts. When I wrote about my plans or feelings, I practiced the same vocabulary I would use in real conversations. It's like preparing your brain before talking to someone. Of course, I made mistakes, many mistakes. Some mornings I looked at my sentences and thought, Crystal, what were you trying to say? But that's the magic. Nobody sees your journal. Mistakes are allowed. Mistakes are welcome. Mistakes help you grow. If you want to try journaling tomorrow morning, here's a little exercise that helped me. Write 3 sentences. What you feel right now, what you want today, one small positive thought. That's it, just 3. Try it tomorrow, okay? Trust me, this tiny habit can make your English feel more natural, peaceful, and even enjoyable.